Turn on your stomach. Gently place the hands near to the chest. Now inhale, chest up, lift your navel above the ground level. Push the pelvic bone down, elbows straight. Push the shoulders back and go arch back. Hold this position for few breaths. Then slowly release the upper back, chest down, and relax the whole body. Sit in a Vajrasana. Now stand on your knees, widening your legs apart. Bring the palms facing down on the back of your hip. Slowly inhale and go arch back and hold your ankles straight here for few breaths. And gently come up and relax. Sit in a Vajrasana. Raise your leg 90 degree. Inhale, lift the hip up and support your back, coming to Sarvangasana. Slowly bring your right leg down behind the head to the floor, keeping the knees straight, and inhale, leg up. Exhale, bring the left leg down behind the head. Inhale up, keeping the back support. Slowly with control with the both leg down behind the head on the floor. Now this is Halasana. Keep the knees straight and the feet touch the floor. Interlock the hand and stay here for few breaths. Now again straight your leg and slowly come down and rest. Lie down on your back, legs as close as possible to your butt. Hold your ankles and make sure your thumb is outside. Slowly inhale and lift your hips all the way up. Try to reach as high as possible, but the breath should be the normal range. And stay here for a couple of breaths and interlock the fingers. Now come down and relax. Sit in a Padmasana and relax the whole body. Carefully bend backward, supporting the body with the arms and elbows. Lift the chest up. Take the head back and lower the crown of the head to the floor. Hold the big toes and rest the elbows on the floor. Adjust the position of the head so that the maximum arch of the back is attained. Relax the whole body in this position. Lie down on the back with the knee bend and the heels touching the buttock. Place the palms on the floor beside the head. Slowly raise the body and arch the back. Straighten the arms. Arch the back as high as is comfortable. Slowly lower the body and do relax. Lie down on your stomach, fold both ankles, pull your ankles, then lift your body up. Tense the leg muscles and arch back, lifting the high, chest and head together. Keep the arms straight. Hold this position for as long as is comfortable. And slowly come down and rest. Sit in a Vajrasana. Bring your elbows on the ground. Interlock the fingers. Bring middle part of the forehead, top head on the ground. Lift your hips up, fork forward. Slowly lift one leg up and use the core. Brings another leg up. Then go straight slowly, both feet towards the sky. Hold for some times as you can hold. To come down, bring the knees down, one by one, leg down, and rest in child pose.